Are you ever going to launch this thing?
I'd love to launch things, but I need to have someone set up with a camera to do it.
I'll do it.
That way if I break the car, at least I can get it on film.
Look at you. Man, I'm gonna buy me a cool car just so I can get some VIP service.
Is this not how they look at you?
This is
what I get everywhere I go.
This is not how they look at me. Welcome back to the Man in the Machine. Welcome to another day, fun filled with cars. We are headed to copying cars in a cool monster that my buddy has recently acquired. But all you can see are city streets, concrete, little bumpy roads. So we're going to take this monster, this machine, coming up in a minute, for a little tour all the way up into the meet that we're headed to. In the Porsche 959 Dakar, how do you say it? Dakar?
Dakar, yeah.
Dakar Tribute. And this thing on the concrete desert that we're driving through, it's pretty fun. You feel a lot of it, a lot of the road, but it's concrete, right? You gotta be on the desert. In a
must be dune surfing in this thing.
Exactly. A nice snug seat. Got these racing windows, the sliding glass, or the sliding plastic, and a beautiful view of downtown. Look at this. This car is 3.2 inline six. Pushing about 270, 80 horsepower.
You told me there's railroad tracks at like 11th and Hempstead, maybe?
That would be perfect. Railroad tracks.
They're like, dude, these things will fucking want you.
But you got to get like over the railroad tracks. You can't land. Well, you can't land on the flat part.
No.
You got to get over them.
Way over.
I'm definitely wanting to be your cameraman for this, if I can.
This car,
yeah,
are all elephant racing, so they're designed for that kind of shit.
Oh, no joke, huh?
So in theory,
elephant racing,
yeah.
Suspension.
Mm-hmm.
That's sweet.
In theory. It should be okay.
But this could be your. Ooh. I can't go. Woo! Yes. That's amazing, bro. It doesn't squeak too much either.
It's really not that bad.
It's
much better than I thought it would be. That's all I can say.
And what year Porsche body is this?
So the donor car was a 77 911S.
911S.
Yeah, and then it had a 959 body kit put on it.
959 body
to make it look like a 959. But obviously, the real difficulty with making a 911 look like a 959 is that the 959 had a custom all-wheel drive drivetrain. So the wheels never look right. So what they did was they were like, okay, well, let's just make this an actual clone of a Dakar vehicle and make it like a bit like Brazen, right? Put the elephant suspension on it. And then it starts looking right because you've got these big wheels on it and you can make the fitment look how you want to.
And it rubs a little bit, no?
Huh?
Does it rub at all?
I think
is that the
mud flaps?
Mud flaps.
I thought it was rubbing initially, but it's like whenever you're going behind the mud flaps a little bit.
I gotcha. I
heard that's the other beautiful part is like any other car you'd be like, oh my god, like I hear rubbing and hear this. Like this car, you're like, oh, rubbing, like push harder on the gas.
Exactly. Oh, you gotta love being downtown Houston. Look how beautiful that is.
They've I mean, if you remember when downtown Houston used to be like 10 years ago, they've really done a good job.
They've done a good job.
There's been a lot of efforts like this one.
All right. Look at that. I could just like hop out just that quick. No. Thank you. Oh, goodness gracious. Getting in this thing is fun. Oh, like a pro, man. It's like we're like on a rally team.
Even the police didn't want to so you do that. You're like, I'm out of here.
That's like a rally team. You have to go like fix the car on a rally, right? Like,
real quick rally stop.
Real rally stop. What kind of like maintenance things do they have to do on a rally? Like,
Oh my God, are you
wheel
kidding me, dude?
repair?
There's great footage. So Colin McRae won in like a Subaru one year.
Yeah.
And I'm like, he's like leading by like a big margin, and he up literally like the control arm. The control arm, it's like bent. So there's footage of him like and his co-pilot jacking up the car, removing the wheel, removing it, and then they take the bent bar and they find like a giant piece of like concrete on the side of the road, and they just throw it down on the bar repeatedly until it like kind of straightens out.
Lies.
They reinstall it and they win. Like they still go then. Say hello to the police.
I love it.
I get lots of police support.
Let's go. I wish
back the badge.
I wish I got police support like.
I'm not doing here. I'll do the next one. I'll do the next one. Sorry.
You gotta love that guy. Kills bugs. Go follow on Instagram.
He's calling me.
Yeah, he's calling you. This is VIP service right here.
Well, they said they were gonna put it somewhere special.
See, look at all these camera peoples. Look at you, man! I'm gonna buy me a cool car just so I can get some VIP service.
This is not how they look at you.
This is what
I get everywhere I go.
This is not how they look at me.
This is how they look at me even when I'm not in this car.
I love it. Go. You're good. Right here, double lane.
Watch out for the turtles.
Turtles.
What's up, man? How are you? Good to see you. Will do.
The man, the myth, the legend. Jose.
Oh, here's your Cybertruck.
Oh wow.
Got it out.
This place is jam-packed. Welcome to Coffee Cars. Welcome to Rad Day. And let's see what we got. Coffee Cars, ladies and gentlemen.
I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you wanted, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. Got shorty, she try and bless me like I said I do.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer.
Nathan Senna, right here. I think it's sweet. I don't have a wide angle lens, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. But check out the stance. The stance is so low. Race car stance. The thing that I didn't realize and recognize early on, looking under the fenders here, the whole fender well is carbon fiber. So imagine having to replace the fender well on these guys. Actual carbon fiber fenders. I mean, that's the extent of this. You don't even want to see the interior, which I'm going to show now, but the whole interior is carbon fiber. Liquid carbon, too. Wet carbon. Liquid, I said liquid. It's like wet carbon in there. I think it's gorgeous. Congratulations, Nathan. Oh. Thank you for that. Crazy day for you guys. On the way home. What a great day. Look at Tom go. Look at us take these corners. Let's feel a nice little shift of the weight and the balance of the car. Let me see it. Oh, yeah. You're not turning hard enough. Oh, we hit some bumps. It wasn't buttery smooth, but there were bumps. And this car can handle it.
Our bros that were checking us out this morning.
The coolest thing about this car is this. Just take a left. So you can exit out over here. Is the cassette player. Do you have cassettes still?
I don't. I have CDs. I have a bunch of CDs. I grew up in the CD era.
But look at that fan. This is so
Get ready to get blown away.
Retro. Oh, and how do you move these things?
Just like that. Just like you're moving them.
You love it.
You're doing it.
Final touches here, Tom.
That's it,
this
man.
car is a beauty.
Whenever you want it, it's yours. It's easy. This is the easiest one to get a hold of for me.
Oh, sweet. So it can live with me forever? Is that what
That's
you
right.
mean?
It can live with you forever.
And
in your heart and your soul.
You got a roll cage too.
Just in case.
Just whenever we take this for a jump across the railroad tracks. Thanks, Tom. Appreciate you.
Racing is life. Anything that happens before or after